Example 20. A class comprises 50 male students and 50 female students. So here we have 100 students. Okay, each of the students take up a course, either statistics or mathematics. The result shows that 60 students pass mathematics. Okay, 2/3 of which are male students. 40 students pass statistics, 3/4 of which are female students. Okay, now in this question, dibagi dalam bentuk bilangan. Okay, kalau dalam bentuk bilangan, kita lebih sesuai buat dalam bentuk tabel. Okay, now we have two categories. The first category will be the gender. Second category will be the cost. So we are going to display all the information in the table. Okay, so kita ada table. Okay, now we are going to put the first category. Okay, the first category will be the male and female. So male, cikgu note sebagai huruf M. Female, cikgu note sebagai huruf F. Okay, next. Kita akan tengok kategori yang kedua, itu cost, statistik or mathematics. So statistik, cikgu buat huruf S. Matematik tak boleh buat M lah sebab M dah ada, so kita buat math. Okay, so kita akan tambah one column and one row untuk dapatkan total. Okay, first kita akan tengok dulu ayat yang pertama. 50 male student, 50 female student. So this one male, total dia dekat ujung ni. So ini 50, female pun 50. So automatik kita akan dapat kat sini 100. So nanti kalau kita tambah pun kita sepatutnya dapat 100. Okay, next. Okay, settle. Okay. Ayat yang ketiga. The result shows that 60 student pass mathematics. So 60 student pass mathematics akan jadi dekat kolom ni. So total will be down here. So 60 student. So next, 40 student ataupun kita tolak kat sini 100, tolak 60, so balance kat sini 40. Okay, dah sekarang nak isi kat dalam ni. Okay, shows that 60 students pass mathematics, 2 or 3 of which are male student. Okay, 2/3 daripada 60. So kita kira 2/3 daripada 60. Kita akan dapat 120. So dapat 40. Okay, then mathematics and male. So 40 student here, and then kita cukupkan 40. This one will be 20. Okay, kita boleh lengkapkan macam ni. 50, yang ni 20, yang ni akan jadi 30, yang ni akan jadi 10. Ataupun awak boleh kira daripada sini 3/4 daripada 40 adalah female student which pass statistics. Okay, so we complete the table. So now make sure this one will be your NS. Okay, based on this table, we are going to answer the question. Question A, calculate the probability that the student is a male or female. So the keyword here will be or. Question A, notation will be probability, male will be N, or will be union, mathematics will be math. Okay, then this one is union. We are going to use the formula, which is Pn plus probability of math minus probability of male intersect with math. Okay, based on the table. Okay, look at table. Male will be 50. To find probability, we take the number of male and then divide by NS, which is 100. Okay, plus math will be 60. So 60/100 minus the intersection will be math and male. Math and male will be 40. So minus 40/100. Then we are going to get 7/10. Question B. If the student is a female, find the probability that she passes statistics. So the keyword here will be if, and then we have two events. The first is female, second will be the passes statistic. So the notation will be probability. If will be the condition. Female, the notation will be F. And then the question asks to find passes statistics will be S. So as given F, we are going to use the formula probability of S intersect with F divided by probability of F. So the intersection, we are going to look at statistic intersect with female will be 30. Okay, make sure you put the probability. So 30/100 divided by female. Female will be 50. So put 50/100. And then we are going to get 3/5. Question C. Calculate the probability that the student chosen is a female and passes mathematics. So here we have N. So the notation for question C will be probability male intersect with passes statistic will be S. So we can straight away get from the table male intersect with statistic. So we get 10/NS 100. And then our answer will be 0.1.